In this video, we're simply gonna unbox some super cool new Razer gear. The entire new Razer Phantom Green collection. And let's go on and kick it off with the Razer Barracuda X Chroma Phantom Green Edition. Like, oh my gosh, this stuff is gonna be so cool. And I have not opened any of this yet. So we're doing this live right here together as I pretty much dissect the box trying to get this open. I don't do many unboxings. So again, I'm probably a little rusty here. Anyways, we got our paperwork, yada, yada. We don't want to see that, right? We want to see the goods. You know what? Hold on. This is how you're supposed to do unboxings, right? You save the good stuff for after everything else. But I am still curious if all the accessories have the Phantom Green as well. So this is our microphone. I'm kind of curious if like the attachment point's Phantom Green. Oh, yo, it is. Take a look at that. The whole microphone is Phantom Green all the way down into connection. Yo, that's super cool that it actually did those little details as well. Now, what about the cables? Are our connection points actually Phantom Green? No. Okay, so our cable is actually black right there to right there. That would have been kind of cool if they did that touch there, but whatever, right? It's wireless, so that's not always connected. But how about our dongle? Is this going to be Phantom Green, or is it also, it is just black? Okay, so there's our dongle there, and then our USB-C to A adapter. They are just black. So they did the microphone, but nothing else. But anyways, okay, let's get to the headset. I can't resist, right? Like, I just want to get right to it. Oh my goodness. Holy smokes. These things are beautiful. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but it's almost like a matte texture. It's not shiny. Like you can see, well, no, that's not shiny either. Huh? That's just, yeah. So that's just packaging on that right there. And you can see they're matte. Oh man, that's so cool with the black. Oh man, I hope they make this in like a clear version. You know, I'd prefer a red version, but I think a lot of people will get really down with a totally clear version. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Let me see if there's any battery juice and see how the RGB looks on them if I fire them up. Yo, there we go. Oh, that is gorgeous. Now let's go and take a look at the new Razer Basilisk V3 Pro 35K. This is the newest Basilisk that recently got released, of course, now in the Phantom Green. But anyways, enough of my talking. Let's go on and slice this bad boy open and take a look at it. Okay, it's wanting to stay closed there. Oh my goodness, like right to the meat and potatoes. Yo, check this out. Take a look at this right here. Look at the grips. The grips are even that clear green, but they're still that like rubber texture. That is so cool. Like, how did they do that? Yo, the buttons, you got the Phantom on the buttons. Now, these are more like, I would say like a smoke gray. But over here, this button up here is actually Phantom Green. Scroll wheel's still the same. Now, yeah, look at right here going all through the middle. You can see it's almost like that. I don't know if it's like a dark green or more or less a gray. I think kind of more like a gray. And that's the same color you have over here on the side buttons. Looking on the bottom, your buttons and switches are actually Phantom Green as well. Here's the little puck down there. Oh, that is loose, so we just gotta, all right, whatever. Which way does it go in? That way. There we go. So you can see all that Phantom Green on this. Like, oh my goodness, this is, yo, I need a Death Adder like this. But of course, in clear, right? Now let's see if the accessories are actually green on this. I don't think they're gonna be because the headset wasn't. Yo, take a look at this. The dongle right here for the Basilisk is actually Phantom Green. They didn't do that on the headset. The dongle was still black. But over here on the Basilisk, it's actually Phantom Green, and it actually states it right there. Basilisk Pro 35K. That's a super cool touch. Okay, now I gotta check everything else. I was kind of gonna close this one up like, all right, we saw it, right? Okay, no, so the cable is still black right there. I do wish they would have done these in Phantom Green, but whatever. Maybe I'm just being nitpicky, right? It's wireless stuff, or who cares? But let's just take one more look at this. Like, I think it is so cool how the grips are that clear green as well. Like, oh my goodness, this is so stinking gorgeous. Now, since we just saw the Basilisk V3 Pro, let's go and take a look at the Firefly V2 Pro. Okay, let's pop this open. Oh yeah, so it's actually, hold on a second. Let me get the mouse here a second. So it's actually like that hard. Oh wow, that's kind of like a fast glide. That's a fast glide for sure. Look on the bottom, the whole bottom is that grippy texture right there, so it's definitely not gonna budge around on your desk, but you can see the Phantom Green right up top there. And then of course your RGB will be all the way around it. But look at that combo right there. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. I do wish it was like a soft texture though. That's just my personal opinion. And you can see right here on the back, USB-A pass-through and then USB-C for connection. Yo, that is super cool combination right there. And now for the meat and potatoes, or shall I say the tofu and potatoes or something. Y'all know I don't eat meat, right? So anyways, getting to the prize right here. The Black Widow V4 75% in the Phantom Green. And by the way, if you want reviews on all the stuff minus the desk mat or the charging pad, I've covered all of these. So again, we're just taking a look at the Phantom Green stuff here. But if you want an actual detailed review on any of these products, I covered all of them before. But oh man, I'm super excited to check this one out. Let's see if the accessories first. So, okay, so again, cables, all black. Expected that since that's what we've been seeing. Is this, what's in this box? Oh, that's gonna be our keycap puller. Oh, that would have been cool if they made that Phantom Green, right? Just like a little touch like that. I don't know, whatever. Maybe that's just me, right? Let's get this aside, but take a look at that. The wrist rest is actually, oh, I can't get it open. The wrist rest is actually Phantom Green. Oh, I got packaging stuck to my finger here. Okay, let's get rid of that and get back to this wrist rest. Super plush, yo, super cozy, but super, super cool with that Phantom Green. Oh my goodness, I'm like a giddy little kid here looking at this stuff. Okay, let's get to the keyboard here. Let's get to the keyboard. Yo, that, I mean, come on. Yo, this is giving me like Halo vibes, right? Master Chief, for sure. Yo, every keycap is that Phantom Green. They got like, I don't know, it's like a mild texture. It's not grippy by any means, but it's got like a matte texture. Almost feels like they're mice, kind of. Kind of weird right there. But take a look at these. All the way through, like, oh, yo, we gotta fire this up. Okay, let me get a USB cable here and fire this bad boy up here. Let's see it with some RGB on. Holy smokes. Okay. Yo, that's gorgeous. You got the black print. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up really well. It's jacking with the lighting here. But you can see the font is real small, like black. It's not raised up either. It's like inside it right there. So you don't feel it. It's just like butter smooth. But it's subtle and it looks so good, right? You got the lighting on the side on this keyboard as well. Yo, this is absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Let me go on and take this back out, and now you can probably see the black font up there a little bit better. I think this is so cool. Going underneath, the pop-out feet are actually that transparent as well. All the way to the back. Now your buttons, your media controls, and your knob up here, they're actually black. Oh my goodness, like come on. Come on. I mean, let's be honest here. Whether you love Razer or hate Razer, you're just in the middle, like whatever. We all gotta agree that this stuff is so stinking gorgeous. I mean, I just want to sit here and continue staring at it, you know? I hope we see more of this in the space. Razer, please give us like, what do they got? Like the white mercury. So if they can make like Phantom Mercury stuff, whatever, you know, with all clear, oh my gosh, I would leave it on my desk. This stuff is so stinking cool. But as you all know, I don't do green in my setup. I'm a red, black, and white kind of guy. If I add green, it's going to look like Christmas year round in here. So what I'm going to do, and you know who loves green? Absolutely favorite color is Techne Juniors. Okay, so my son is still across the house, so I gotta keep it down. I'm in his room, hence the bad lighting. It's definitely like yellow in here, right? I got one little light up there that's just blinding me. But anyways, this is his setup, which is an absolute style. He's got a Switch 2 over here. He's got a juice box. That's for his diabetes, so he needs it right there, right? But he's just got, oh man, he's just got junk everywhere, right? But he is a total Razer fanboy, minus his SteelSeries keyboard here, right? So let's set that over there. But he's got the Barracuda Chromas already over here, the one with the stickers on it. His mouse previously was the Pulsar, so we're gonna swap that out. Again, this is the small size. He's got smaller hands, so we're gonna have to see how that plays out. Let's get his juice box back there. But check this out. His Xbox controller for gaming is actually the green one as well, right? He loves green. Let's get that over there. His mouse pad, I better move his Switch too before I damage that. Look at his mouse pad here. Oh, geez, there's so much. It's like dog hairs and dust. Oh dear, I don't want him to hear me. I don't want him to hear me. Here's his mouse pad. It's Razer, one of the Razer, the big ones, but yo, this thing's stinking peeling right here. Like mouse pads of the old days, right? They just peel off. So he definitely needs a new mouse pad as well. He's got a collection of like 4 Razer headsets over here as well. You know what? Actually talking about my son being a Razer fanboy, look at this. He's got the Razer Sneaky stuffy in his room as well. Hey, I gotta get some screen capturing some gameplay. You wanna get some rounds in with me? I need a couple quick rounds.
I want to.
You're gonna be grounded if you don't game.
What?
What do you think of your new setup?
This is awesome. I don't know what to say.